Hello students, in our previous class we already learned lesson number 13 good manners and habit. Now today we are going to start our new lessons, lesson number 14 fascinating world of plants. Fascinating means in this lesson we are going to study about the plants, the different types of plants and how they are helpful to us. Now see your textbooks, page number 97. Before starting the lessons, there is given a small activity. Look at the picture and tell which plant part is the girl is touching. There is standard one girl, she is touching some plant part of plants. What we call it? Flower. So write here flower, spelling of flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Now students, I am going to read the lessons. You have to speak along with me. Types of plants. First type of plants is trees. Big and strong plants are called trees. Trees have a thicky woody stem called trunk. So what they tell at the beginning? The first type of plant is trees. Trees are big and long plants. They have thick woody stem. It's called trunk. We see that near to our house there are so many big plants. They are called trees, like neem trees, oak tree. Now see the next. A trees lives for many years. Oak, peepal, banyan and neem are some example of trees. So we know that trees are long and big plants and they are living for many years. Like example, oak tree, peepal tree, banyan tree, neems are the example of the trees. After learning the trees, next type is shrub. Some plants are much shorter than trees. They are called shrub or bushes. Shrubs have many stems rising at or near the ground. Some shrubs like rose, jasmine and gardenia bear beautiful flowers. Some shrubs also have thorns. So what they tell? What is our next type of plants? Shrub. Shrubs are shorter than the tree. They have many stems which are rising at or near the ground. Like example, rose, jasmine. They have beautiful flowers. Some shrubs have thorn also. So most probably shrub have a thorns. Majority flower plants are come in a group of shrubs. Next type is herbs. Some plants are very small with the soft stem. They are called herbs. So some plants are very small and they have soft stems. So it's called herbs. Like example, spinach, mint, coriander are called herbs. Next type is climber and creeper. Some plants cannot stand straight like tree and shrubs. They need support to climb. They are called climber. So like their names, climber means who climb. So some plants are not standing straight like tree or shrubs. So they need support to climb. They are called climber. See the next. Which are the example of climber? Money plants, grapevine and bean plants are called climber. So they are not standing alone. They need a support for climbing. So they are called climber. Next is some plants grow along the ground. They are called creeper. Watermelon and pumpkin plants are creeper. So what they tell? Some plants are growing along on the ground. They are growing along the grounds. They are grow near to the ground surface. They are called creeper. Like example, watermelon and pumpkin. So these are the 5 types of the plants. Let's revise it. Trees, shrubs, herbs, climber and creeper. So students, I hope you understand the different types of plants. See the next point. We already learned the different types of plants. Now choose the correct options. Okay. First one. These plants cannot stand straight. Who cannot stand? Shrubs or climber? Climber. So take the climber. Next. These are short plants which bear flowers sometime. Who bear a flower? Shrubs. Shrubs have a flower. Next. These are big and strong plants. Who are big and strong? Trees. These plants creep along the ground. Climber or creeper? Creeper. Now see the next point. Use of plants. Which way plants are useful to us? See the first point. Plants keep the air fresh and cool. So plants are keeping our air fresh and cool. We know that plants are providing us oxygen, which is important for our breathing. Next, we get food such as fruits, oil, vegetables, wheat and rice from some plants. So whatever food we need, who provide us? Plants. Like fruits, oil, vegetables, wheat, rice, they are providing us. So plants also provide us the food. See the next point. We use cotton to make clothes. We get cotton from the cotton plants. So plants also provide us the cotton which are used to make clothes. So plants also give us the clothes. Next, we use wood from trees such as teak and oak to make furniture. So plants also provide us a wood which is helpful to make our furniture. Next, we also get some medicines from plants such as tulsi and neem. So plants also provide us some medicines which is useful for our health. Which plants are used for making medicines? Tulsi and neem. So students, you know that plants are very important in our life. Plants are giving us so many different things. So they are our friend. So I hope you understand the lessons. For understanding it more perfectly, let's see a small video. So students, we already learned lesson number 14, fascinating world of plants. Let's revise it whatever we learn. Plants, they are everywhere which is surrounded to our life. Like human and animals, plants are also living things. They are also breathing. They are not move like us, but they are growing. Plants also need air, water and sunlight to grow. Next is types of plants. Plants are divided mainly in 5 types: trees, shrubs, herbs, creeper and climber. First type is trees. Trees, they have many branches that bear leaves, flowers and fruits. The roots are thick and strong. Trees are usually living for many years. Example: neem, pine, mango, peepal, banyan, coconut, etc. Next is shrubs. Shrubs have many branches. They grow near the ground. Their stems is woody and thin and does not have main trunks. They are smaller than the trees. Thus example: cotton plants, rose plants and mums plants. Next is herbs. Herbs are very small and weak plants. They have a thin green and soft stems. They usually live for 3 or 4 months. Examples are coriander, mint, tulsi. Herbs are usually used for making medicines. Next, climber. Climber are the plants with the weak stems. They must climb on other plants, twigs or wall to grow. So climber always need a support to grow. This example, money plants, grapevine or peas. Next is creeper. Creeper are weak plants. That mostly grow along the ground. They have weak stems and thin branches. So creeper have a thick and weak stem. They are usually bear a big fruit. So creeper have a big fruits like watermelon, pumpkin. Use of plants. For human beings needs and use of plants are many different ways. Plants are helpful us for breathing. They are also provide us food. They are also provide us beverage like drinks, clothing and building materials. First is to breathe. Plants, specifically trees, are the source of oxygen that we need for breathing. Second, as a food. We use plants for every day as our foods. The food we eat such as fruits, grain, nuts, roots, leaves, vegetables come from the plants. As medicine, the nature component in the plants are used to make many medicines. So some plants are used for making medicine. For building, for construction also, plants are useful. They provide us the wood to make our furnitures. Next is for clothing. Some plants provide us the fiber which are helpful to make our clothes. Like example, cotton, which are used to make our clothes. So students, I hope you understand the lessons. Thank you.